paano nyo na-meet si si Guo Huaping through General Macapas in
No,
Indonesia?
I did not meet Alice through General Macapas.
So,
I was informed.
How did you meet her?
I was stopped po kasi they know that I am a friend of Mayor Kalugay. I talked to Mayor Kalugay if there is a way for him to contact Miss Alice.
bakit mo naisip na through Mayor Kalugay makokontak mo si Guo Huaping?
Your Honor, I was told po that they had a relationship. Pagkakaalam ko po that naging mag-on po sila.
How come in the world na nahuli na si Alice Go doon? Kaya kailangan ka pa dalhin ni Macapas doon sa Indonesia para kumbinsihin si Alice Go? I don't see any logic. Wala ako nakikitang intelligence value sa presensya mo, sa papel mo doon. Bakit ang IG gagamitin ka? Huli na siya eh. Huli na siya. Bakit ka kasama sa IG? Wala akong nakitang intelligence value sa'yo.
The instructions po is this.
Sino nagbigay ng instructions?
Sa PNP po,
Sino?
si General Macapas.
Anong instructions niya?
Na sana umuwi that she will, kung pwede siya kausapin, na
Yun na, huli ka. That she will, at kung pwede siyang kausapin. Alam mo,
no, that's
matagal
what
na
I'm saying.
akong pulis, ikaw, sinungaling ka.
No.
Napakasinungaling mo. Gumagawa ka ng istorya ngayon. Meron kang tinatago. Hindi kita papalabasin dito sa session hall ito kahit na hawak ka na ng NBI. Itilio. Hindi kita papalabasin dito sa session hall ito.
So, ma'am, ano po ba ang pangalan nyo? Sino ba kayo?
Good afternoon, Madam Chair. Good afternoon, good senators. I'm Jessica Francisco.
Okay. Yun
And,
po yung sagot niya.
I'm Jessica Francisco, sir.
Okay. Yun yung sagot po niya, Senator De La Rosa.
Where did we get that name, Maslog?
Mayroon pong mga artikulo, including investigative articles na lumalabas na sa media based on linking to previous cases na kinilala itong tao di umano bilang sa isang dating or totoo niyang pangalan bilang Mary Ann Maslog.
And she was
Sir.
arrested, Madam Chair?
Yes,
Within
Senator.
indulgence of Senator, but she was
Yes.
arrested or she was detained? I don't even know her
Senator.
status right now
Yes.
because she is Mary Ann Maslog.
Yes,
Is that
Mr.
correct?
Yes, Senator Joel. And for the record, dun sa tanong din ni Senator De La Rosa, Mary Ann Maslog, yung di umanong namatay na textbook scammer, pero Jessica Francisco, yung bagong pangalan nila. So, yun po, Senators De La Rosa and Joel.
Mahirap mag-start mag-imbestiga ng tao, Madam Chair, na hindi natin ma-establish talaga yung real identity niya to start to begin with. So, ikaw ba talaga yung Mary Ann Maslog na accordingly involved sa textbook scam at may istorya na namatay?
Your Honor, I invoke my right to keep silent because we have a case right now.
No. You
Sounds
cannot
familiar,
invoke that
Senator De La
right.
Rosa.
You cannot invoke that right because kung sabihin mo yung merong Supreme Court ruling dyan, walang sub-judice rule cannot apply in legislative inquiry in aid of legislation. You cannot invoke that right. Kaya nga, klaruhin natin ito kasi para tayong gago dito, nagtatanong kami sa iyo as Jessica Francisco, tapos ikaw pala Mary Ann Maslog din. Then, klaruhin natin ito. Para mong niluloko yung committee nito kung hindi ka magsabi sa totoo mong pangalan.
Senator De La Rosa, baka pwede nating tanungin ng NBI.
NBI.
Si Attorney Magno, i-establish yung identity ng resource person. Attorney Magno, please.
Good afternoon, Madam Chair, Honorable Senators. On September 25, our Fraud and Financial Crime Division conducted an operation for against a certain Dr. Jessica Francisco and allegedly one who is Mary Ann Maslog. In this particular case, they were able to confirm through forensic that this Jessica Francisco and Mary Ann Maslog is one and the same person.
What particular, Madam Chair?
Yes,
what
please.
particular forensic
Senator De La Rosa.
evidence can you provide this committee stating that he is one and the same person?
It is a fingerprint analysis, Mr. Chair, Madam Chair.
So if that is so, you confirm na siya talaga si Mary Ann Maslog.
As far as the dactyloscopy report is was made by the our expert, Madam Chair.
So, Madam Chair, I am inclined to believe that this committee should treat this information coming from the NBI as official.
Yes, Senator
So,
De La Rosa.
for me, you are not Jessica Francisco. You are, as far as this committee is concerned, you are Mary Ann Maslog.
Yes,
Am I
Senator
clear?
De La Rosa.
Am I correct, Mary Ann? Please remove your... am I correct to assume that you are Mary Ann?
Sir, right now we have an identity hearing on the 28th and on 29th of October in Sandigan Bayan. That's why I invoke my right to keep silent, sir.
I don't think your invocation of that privilege is applicable to this committee. I am telling you, if you keep on invoking that, I will presume that you are uncooperative to this inquiry. Madam Chair.
Yes, salamat kayo, Senator De La Rosa. The chair agrees that, and please, Comsec, could we change the nameplate to that of Mary Ann Maslog? Opo, in the same way na pinanghawakan talaga at pinanindigan natin yung dactyloscopy analysis ng NBI sa kaso ni Guo Huaping. Why should we not do the same for Mary Ann Maslog? Remembering also yung sinabi ng dactyloscopy expert nila na bawat isang fingerprint natin sa bawat daliri ay unique at hindi nagkakapareho sa sino mang ibang tao. So,
Madam Chair.
I concur. Yes, Senator, SP Pro Tempore.
Mrs. Maslog, were you involved in a textbook scam before? Because your name rings a bell. Your surname rings a bell to me.
Your Honor, that case is still in Sandigan Bayan, Your Honor. So I invoke my right to keep silent.
Were you arrested? Was she arrested? Is she detained right now?
Is she detained right now, Attorney Magno?
Madam Chair, yes.
Where is
She is detained at the NBI.
NBI?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How did you get the name of Jessica Francisco? Answer.
Ms. Maslog.
Sir, like what I said, sir, there is still a case and to be heard on the 28th and on 29th of October, sir.
What case did you file against Mary Ann Maslog?
Initially, several cases of falsification of public documents were filed against her. But upon this incident, the Sandigan Bayan also issued a warrant of arrest with no bail recommendation.
Oh, bakit no bail? Ano yung plunder ba yan?
It appears that it is in connection with the textbook scam.
Textbook scam noong 1998 ba? 1999? I think that was during the presidency of my father. Huh? Tama ba? 1999 eh. Okay. Mary Ann
Yes,
Maslog,
1990s.
kilala mo ba si Alice Go?
Sir, I know of Alice Go.
You
Could I
know-
add to the question of SP Pro Tempore? Ever mo ba na-meet si Guo Huaping?
Yes, ma'am.
You have.
I have.
Ano yung mga circumstansya ng pag-meet nyo sa kanya? So you know her, not just know of her. Kasi paano kayo nag-meet?
Well, I met Miss Alice. The first time I met Miss Alice was in Indonesia
Mhm.
through a video.
Through a video.
Yes, ma'am.
Bakit mo siya na-meet through a video sa Indonesia? And why were you there?
Can I go back to how I went to Indonesia po?
Okay, kung context yun ng how you met Guo Huaping.
Prior to few months or weeks prior to going to Indonesia, I was tapped to possibly talk to Alice,
Tapped by?
PNP, if it's possible to, because
Are
she
you a
was
member of
supposed-
Who is
PNP?
PNP, Madam Chair? PNP in particular.
Senator De La Rosa.
PNP in particular. Sino?
the intelligence group, sir.
Sino? Name?
Sir, it's the IG group, sir.
IG Group.
Yes.
But I have an information.
So,
Member ba kayo ng member ba kayo ng PNP-IG?
no, ma'am.
But
So, anong pangalan?
we've been waiting. Who is it?
General Macapas po.
Macapas?
General Macapas.
So,
why?
paano nyo na-meet si si Guo Huaping through General Macapas in
No,
Indonesia?
I did not meet Alice through General Macapas.
So,
I was informed.
How did you meet her?
I was tapped po kasi they know that I am a friend of Mayor Kalugay.
okay, friend kayo ni Mayor Kalugay.
Yes. And
How are you a friend of Mayor Kalugay?
I've met Mayor Kalugay 2022 through
How?
Dante Katabay.
Dante Katabay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. How did
Madam
you...
Chair. Madam
Yes,
Chair.
Senator De La Rosa.
Can you confirm that? Mayor
Yes.
Kalugay? Mayor Kalugay? Can you confirm that? Kilala kayo?
Opo, Your Honor.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Senator De La Rosa. Salamat kayo. So, okay, so you met Mayor Kalugay through Dante Katabay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, baka gusto pa namin i-pursue yan, but continue muna. Paano mo na-meet si Guo Huaping at anong papel ni General Macapas?
No, they were just requesting if it is possible po kaya na kasi there was a talk na mag-surrender po si Miss Alice. So ang nangyari
Who's
po
talk that she would
then,
surrender?
meron pong mga sa newspaper na magsusurrender po si Miss Alice. So meron na po kasing lumabas that time na warrant from your office.
From the Senate.
From the Senate po.
Mhm.
So, I talked to Mayor Kalugay if
Ah.
there is a way for him to contact Miss Alice.
Bakit mo naisip na through Mayor Kalugay makokontakt mo si Guo Huaping? Anong pagkaalam mo sa ugnayan nila?
Sa pool.
Are they business partners, for example?
I don't think so.
Your Honor, I was told po that they had a relationship.
Told
Oh.
by?
Kasi po,
What kind of a relationship?
ang pagkakaalam ko po, sir, but I've never seen them together. But I will tell you, ang pagkakaalam ko po, that naging mag-on po sila. That's
Okay,
it.
so that's why you asked Mayor Kalugay paano kontakin si Guo Huaping.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
kinikilig to si Alice Go. Kita mo.
Natatawa pa
Guo
ako, Your
Huaping.
She's squirming on
Okay.
her.
Okay, sandali lang. You're not yet recognized to speak at this moment. So, Miss Maslog, after nagtanong kayo kay Mayor Kalugay, paano nyo kinontak si Guo Huaping?
Actually po, in fairness to Mayor Kalugay, he said po, he does not want to involve himself.
Okay,
And
so
he
paano nyo
has no
finally
way.
na-contact
He
si
said
Guo
po,
Huaping?
he has no way of contacting Alice.
So paano nyo siya na-contact?
So what happened po was so we backtrack and
Madam Chair.
Senator De La Rosa.
Gusto ko lang maklaro, Madam Chair. Paano ka nakapasok sa eksena? Were you the one who volunteered to General Macapas or Macapas approached you? Which is which?
aware po kasi sila na magkaibigan po kami ni Mayor Kalugay. That is the only reason po.
So, you mean to say, si General Macapas ang kumontak sa'yo na tulungan mo kami na mapasurrender si Alice Go?
Yes, sir.
Siya ang...
We are actually, sir, I don't know how to explain it. Kasi meron na nga pong warrant during the time po, sir.
Hindi. At tanong ko is, yung paano nag-start ito? Ikaw bang pumunta kay Macapas, nag-volunteer ka, or si Macapas pumunta sa'yo para humingi ng tulong sa'yo?
I wouldn't say they were asking for help. They were just saying po na if it is possible to contact the good mayor. If
Ikaw,
he knows
kalarin natin,
po.
ikaw ang nilapitan ni Macapas.
Yes, sir.
Why in the world? Bakit ikaw pinunta ni Macapas?
No, sir, it is like what I said po, sir. They are aware of my friendship with the mayor.
So, meaning to say, matagal ka nang kilala ni Macapas.
Yes, sir.
Matagal ka nang kilala ni Macapas, ha?
Yes.
So, nilapitan ka niya para tumulong.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair,
Salamat
if I may,
kayo,
I just-
Senator De La Rosa.
Sorry,
Senator
sorry,
Joel.
Madam Chair, because I'm not buying a lot of lies here. We have heard too much lies, Madam Chair. You were saying you were tapped by General Macapas. Why were you tapped by General Macapas? Do you have any extraordinary powers, skills? Bakit ikaw?
Like what I said, Your Honor, thank you for that question. It is because only they are very aware of my friendship with the mayor.
This is not Miss Universe, Miss Mary Ann Maslog. This is not Miss Universe. They can go straight to Mayor Kalugay. If they feel that he is a trustworthy public official, they can go straight to him. So, General following your story, if General Macapas stopped you, you must have something no one actually has or possess that kind of skill. Because you were able to pull that thing that you were supposed to be dead for so long and now you're alive. So tell us, why were you tapped by General Macapas? And for what?
That's the only thing, Your Honor, like what I said,
Madam
because of my relationship with the mayor.
Hindi,
Senator De La Rosa.
hindi kaya ang unique na sitwasyon mo because meron kang kaso na textbook scam, kaya ka ginamit at ikaw no choice ka dahil parang hostage ka ng gobyerno dahil may kaso ka ng textbook scam. Kung hindi ka magpapagamit, tapos ka. O see that? Hindi nag-materialize ngayon. Ano? Huli ka. Huli ka, di ba? Huli ka ngayon.
In fairness to General Macapas po, he knows me as Jessica Francisco.
Okay. Did you visit Alice Go doon sa detention niya sa dito muna.
Senator De La Rosa, if I may, backtrack ng konti.
Backtrack ko.
Opo. Paano kayo nag-usap ni Guo Huaping sa Indonesia? Video call ba yon? O sino nag-arrange nun? Paano kayo nag-usap?
Your Honor, I went to Indonesia 2 times.
Uh-huh.
The first time po kasi was, there was a talk that Alice is ready to surrender.
Okay.
So
Kaya
ano
po-
pakialam mo dun? Punta ka Indonesia para kausapin si Alice Go? Ano pa talaga pakialam mo dun?
Oo nga eh.
Huh?
Kanina, tinanong ko rin, PNP-IG member ba kayo?
CIA ka ba?
Hindi rin.
Remember ha, kahit na nakakulong
Senator De La
ka,
Rosa.
you are under oath.
Yes.
Ha? You do not make up stories here.
I'm not
Madali kang
making up
mahuli dito.
stories, sir.
Kaya nga, bakit nag-iisip ka nga? Oh, ang tagal mo mag-isip. Simple question coming from Senator Joel Villanueva o ni si Senator Jingo Estrada. Anong papel mo doon? Bakit ka pumunta ng Indonesia para kausapin si Go Huaping? Anong papel mo? Sige.
Madam Chair,
You convince us.
Senator Sherwin.
this has no connection to your case.
Yeah.
Kaya pag hindi ka sasagot, you can be cited in contempt.
At saka, who told you that Go Huaping was in Indonesia? Eh nung panahong
Oo nga.
yun, sinasabi pa ng PNP na at ng law enforcement in general na hindi pa nila alam noon na umalis si Go Huaping. So, paano mo alam na nandun pala siya sa Indonesia?
Actually, Your Honor, that happened after your announcement.
So, you heard about it, General Makapas heard about it, or PNP-IG heard about it, and you're the person they sent to meet her in Indonesia?
No,
So what happened? Paano mo nakausap si Go Huaping sa Indonesia? Was it face-to-face? Was it a video call? How did you do it?
there was a pre-talk po here because
By video?
No,
No.
dito pa po sa Pilipinas, Your Honor, before
Face
we
to
went
face?
to Indonesia. No, Your
No.
Honor. It was through a telephone call.
Okay.
It was through a telephone call that she signified na surrender po siya.
Okay.
Then, during the time po, when she signified na magsusurrender po siya, sabi niya, susulat daw muna siya. She will write everything daw po muna.
Right what?
Kung ano ang the real story
Uh-huh.
bago po siya mag-surrender.
Okay.
Para po, if something happens to her, then may makakaalam.
What something would happen to her?
I don't know, Your Honor, but
Mhm.
that was the words during that time po.
May makakaalam.
Yes po.
And
So,
then,
We did not know that she was in Indonesia. She
Who?
was
we, PNP-IG and General Makapas and you?
I actually keep in touch with
With whom?
with the lawyer, Your Honor.
Okay. Attorney David. Okay.
Yes,
And then?
Your Honor. And we really tried our best na sana mag-surrender siya kasi gusto naman po talaga daw niyang mag-surrender.
Madam Chair,
Okay.
if I may.
Yes, SP Pro Tempore.
Who are you to meet Jade? Who gave you the authority to go to Indonesia and talk to Alice Go?
Actually, we were not the first time po, Your Honor, we were not able to talk to Alice Go.
Yes.
The first
You told me that you told us, the committee, that you went to Indonesia
yes,
correct?
Your Honor.
just to
Yes.
talk to Alice Go and
for
let
her
her
to surrender po. Yes,
Yeah.
Your Honor.
Yes. Who are you nga to do so? Who are you to meet Jade? Did Secretary Abalos or the Chief PNP give you the go signal to talk to her? I don't think
No,
so.
no, sir.
So who gave you the go signal to talk to her? You being a private citizen. You're not even connected in any government agency here. Correct?
Yes, Your
So who gave you the go signal to talk to her, to go to Indonesia just to talk to her for her surrender?
Well,
Huh?
I was just helping, Your Honor.
Excuse me?
You were what? You were just helping.
You are just
Helping who?
My
It's a
goodness.
very
Helping who,
sensitive
Madam Chair?
case.
Helping
Senator
who?
De La Rosa.
This is too much lie, Madam.
Helping who?
I am not lying, Your Honor.
O si you
Promise
helping who?
helping.
Sino? Sino tinulungan mo?
You know why you're lying? You keep on telling us baloney information. You said you were top because you're friends with Mayor Kalugay. Now you don't need Mayor Kalugay to talk to her because apparently you've been talking to her before you went to Indonesia.
Speaking
Only
of
on a
Indonesia, just a minute. Could we ask the BI to confirm si Miss Maslog ba, or using the name of Francisco, pumunta ba siyang Indonesia at that time?
we will verify your.
Please po, and if possible, Commissioner, during this hearing, Senator Sherwin?
Madam Chair, just to remind the body, itong taong to, 26 years ago, nagnakaw ng 24 million, nagpanggap ng namatay para hindi siya makulong, tumakas sa Amerika, at ngayon bumalik dito, at bigla nilang himala, gustong tumulong. Dapat maalala natin na kung buhay pa ito, nakakulong na ho ngayon, 26 years ago.
Ba't ka nagpanggap na patay ka na?
Pro tempore.
Ba't ka nagpanggap na patay ka na? Para matakasan mo yung kaso, ganun ba? Yun na sigurong solusyon. Nagpanggap na patay ka na. Sagot. Come on. The answer.
Ms. Maslog.
That case still pending, sir, in Sandigan Bayan, sir.
While you are considering or reconsidering your answers to us, so Attorney David, based din sa sinabi ni Ms. Maslog, alam nyo at that time na Guo Huaping was out of the country already kasi nag-uusap kayo or nagsusubok kayo ni Ms. Maslog, kumbinsihin siyang surrender. Please come to the mic, Attorney.
No, your Madam Chair, hindi po. Nalaman ko lang ho nung nahuli yung dalawa.
Nung nahuli sina Cassandra Leong at Sheila Guo.
Yes, yes. Ma'am.
So before that was when Ms. Maslog was supposedly together with you convincing Guo Huaping to surrender.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Madam Chair. Because she was coordinating with me and I was also coordinating with her for the surrender. Kasi si Alice wanted to surrender even during those days pa. Pero takot nga because of the threat. So fortunately, they came to me. So yun, there was a negotiation for the surrender. Until I learned that, yun na nga, sabi niya ni Madam Jessica na nasa ibang bansa, hindi ko maalala kung saan. But na-intercept na yung dalawa. So I called her. Is it true na-intercept? Yun, kaya sabi ko, kung talagang nalaman ko for the first time nasa abroad sila.
Madam Chair, if I may lang,
Senator Joel.
just on that, attorney,
Attorney,
sorry,
please.
why were you trusting her? Why were you talking to her?
Well, as mentioned by her, she was with top brass of the PNP. How can I not trust her?
Top brass?
Did you,
Sabi niya
did you know her
PNP
before?
IG.
Did you know her before?
No,
Yes, Secretary.
no, Your Honor. I met her during the. They came to me.
Nung nagka-problema na.
They came to me and they wanted to negotiate with the surrender of Alice, Mayor Alice.
So according to the question of Senator Villanueva, did you trust her? Naniniwala ka kagad?
I trusted her because she was with top PNP brass.
Yung sinasabi niya si General Makaspak?
Yes.
Makapas?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
So she's with him, with General Macapas, when he
Yes,
talked,
yes,
they
sir.
talked to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wow.
So, Ms. Jessica, can you complete the story? Paano mo nakausap si Guo Huaping dun na sa Indonesia?
Actually, it's on the second, yung nahuli na po si Miss Alice. And,
So, paano nangyari?
I really would like to request for an executive session.
Madam,
No.
executive sessions are for matters of national security. You're in this deep already sa pag-narrate nyo sa amin. You might as well not, huwag nyong paiksian yung PC ng mga miyembro ko sa komiteng ito, buuin nyo na yung kwento nyo. Dahil kayo naman po nagsimulang magsabi that on the second trip, you were able to talk to Guo Huaping.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kompletuhin nyo na kasi
Okay, Your Honor.
pag napitin, mas nakakagalit.
Okay, Your Honor. On the first time po na nandoon kami, no, we were not able to see Miss Alice Guo. So hindi po siya nag-surrender. There was no communication. Of
Anong
Alice.
petsa yon?
I cannot remember. po,
Was
Your
that August also? Was that July?
That was few days, I think few days prior to, yung, I cannot remember, Your Honor. I can
Few
check
days
on-
prior to what?
no, after pala po the first time, if I remember right, was nung nahuli pala yung magkapatid po.
Sina Sheila Guo at
Yes.
Cassandra Leong.
Yes po.
And
That was
then,
the first, no. The second was a week after po.
a week after.
Nung nahuli na po si Alice.
But before siya nahuli or after siya nahuli?
That was that day na nahuli po siya.
Okay, so paano nangyari?
I got a call po. I got a text from Indonesia po na
Who
mahuli
texted you from Indonesia?
yung ano po, yung sa tawag nito, yung
Ano?
in charge po, yung nakahuli po kay ano.
What?
kay-
Sino?
An Indonesian law enforcement officer texted you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Really? Are you kidding?
Sa bayang bigkasan
Alam
na
mo,
tayo,
alam mo.
SP Pro Tempore.
Alam mo, Marian, mas sinungaling ka pa rito kay Alice Go eh.
Sir, I can show you the text message.
Okay, show it to us.
Show us the
I
text.
don't have the phone, sir.
So how did you have direct communications with not just Filipino, with an Indonesian law enforcement
Because
officer?
we were there the first time nga po eh.
And how did you establish that contact with the Indonesian law enforcement?
I was
authorities?
with IG po when I went there to get, nandoon po yung mga pulis din po ng Indonesia.
So IG, you're claiming that PNP IG introduced you and Indonesian police to each other?
It wasn't an introduction po. Magkasama lang po kami during the time.
But magkasama
Hindi
kayo
kami nagkakilala po.
and you exchange numbers.
Yes po.
So you had that communication line. Senator De La Rosa.
Madam Chair, I was a former chief of staff of IG. I became the deputy director for operations of intelligence group, IG. I became a deputy director for administration of intelligence group. How come in the world na nahuli na si Alice Go doon? Kaya kailangan ka pa dalhin ni Makapas doon sa Indonesia para kumbinsihin si Alice Go? I don't see any logic. Wala ako nakikitang intelligence value sa presensya mo, sa papel mo doon. Bakit ang IG gagamitin ka? Huli na siya eh. Huli na siya. Bakit ka kasama sa IG? Wala akong nakita ang intelligence value sa'yo. Siguro ang intelligence value sa'yo kung magamit ka for any other reasons na pwede kang gamitin.
Your Honor, the instructions po is this.
Sino ang nagbigay ng instructions?
Sa PNP po,
Sino?
si General Macapas.
Anong instructions niya?
Na sana umuwi that she will, kung pwede siya kausapin, na
Yun na, huli ka. That she will, at kung pwede siyang kausapin. Alam mo,
no, that's what
matagal na
I'm saying.
kung pulis, ikaw, sinungaling ka.
No.
Napakasinungaling mo. Gumagawa ka ng istorya ngayon. Meron kang tinatago. Hindi kita papalabasin dito sa session hall ito kahit na hawak ka na ng NBI. Tilio, hindi kita papalabasin dito sa session hall ito.
Sige.
Kung hindi ka magsabi ng totoo.
Sige,
Yun na
tuloy
nga
mo-
po.
SP Pro Tempore.
Tuloy mo yung kwento mo. She will what?
That kung pwede po, that she will surrender to PNP.
Miss Maslog, baliktad na yung sequence of events. Sinabi na ni Senator De La Rosa, at the time of your second trip para kausapin si Guo Huaping, arestado na siya.
Yes,
No
Your
choice na siya na bumalik dito, which is what happened. So wala nang kayong mission na pa-surrenderin siya kasi huli na nga siya. So ano yung agenda nyo sa pagkausap sa kanya?
Actually po, Miss Go Waping and Alice Go po, you can ask po. She has a lawyer po doon sa Indonesia.
Just a minute, before you continue, Ms. Maslog, about the lawyer in Indonesia, General Macapas will be joining us online. So we will be able to fact check with him this amazing story. Please continue.
If I
Senator
may
Joe.
also just put into the records, no, the Senate already gave time in 2000 and 2000 in year 2000. In year 2000, and the Senate found her liable. The same person, Madam Chair, Mary Ann Maslog. The Senate found her liable for false testimony, corruption of public officials, punishable under the revised penal code, violation of the anti-graft law, violation of Presidential Decree number 46, which makes it punishable for private persons to give gifts to government officials and employees on any occasion, falsification of public document, and tax evasion. So, Madam Chair, hindi ko alam kung we need to give more time to this rascal, Madam Chair.
Thank you,
Madam Chair.
Senator Joel. Yes, Senator De La Rosa.
Madam Chair, I don't know how to deal with this kind of resource person, pero alam mo, I suspect nandoon ka, pupunta ka sa Indonesia because somebody is using you for an irregular operation. Kang lingo-lingo dyan, I am sure. Somebody is using you. I suspect. Ano? Ano masasabi mo ngayon?
Ms.
No,
Maslog.
Ha?
No, Your Honor.
No?
No, Your Honor.
Sigurado ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
Huwag mo ako lukuhin. Huwag mo ako lukuhin.
I am not, Your Honor.
I have the goods against you. I have the goods against you. But, Madam Chair, next, I will pin you down. I will pin you down. I tell you. I will pin you down. I will pin you down. I am sure about it. I will pin you down. Huwag mong gamitin yung pagkamaro mo. Kung dumaan ka na, namatay ka na noon, at ngayon bigla kang nabuhay, at ngayon ginagamit ka for irregular operations against us. You cannot, hindi ka makakalusot sa akin. I tell you. I tell you. Madam Chair, thank you.
Madam Chair.
Salamat kayo, Senator De La Rosa. Before I call the SP pro tempore, I have confirmation na pumunta ngang Indonesia si Ms. Maslog. But I will wait for that officially on the record from the BI. SP pro, sorry, if I may, Senator Sherwin, and
Sino
then
nagbayad ng ticket mo, Miss Maslog? Sino nagbayad ng ticket mo nung una at sino nagbayad ng ticket mo nung pangalawa? At tumira ka ba doon sa Indonesia? Sino nagbayad ng hotel mo?
We only stayed there, sir, for 1 day, sir.
Balikan.
2 days po. 2 days. Opo.
So, sino nagbayad ng ticket mo?
I-refund po ng ano po, ng government.
Sinong government? Sinong government?
Alam mo,
Philippine
Hirap.
government?
hirap nga ang IG magpadala ng ahente pupunta sa ibang bansa. Ikaw pa, na you are not a part of IG, hindi ka organic ng IG, kagasusan ka ng IG. Kaya the more kami nagsususpek na meron ka talagang ibang pakay doon. Meron kang iba. Ha? Madam Chair,
Yeah.
Madam Chair, can I move forward for a while? A little bit.
You certainly may, Senator De La Rosa. But
Mayroon
before-
akong information na bumisita ka doon sa kulungan ni Alice Go dito sa Pilipinas. Bumisita ka?
Yes, sir.
How many times?
2 times.
Anong purpose mo doon?
First, sir, tinatanong ko po siya sa mga statement po na ginawa po niya, sir.
May ginawa siyang statement?
No, not the statement. But I'm saying we were talking about ano po sa kanya yung how do you say it, yung kung ano po ang nangyari sa kanya.
Ano ang pakialam mo sa kanya?
SP pro tempore.
Klaruhin ko na lang sa'yo. Ha? For the record, meron kong informasyon ha? Na you are being used para papirmahin si Alice Go ng affidavit. Affidavit na magsuturo na si President Duterte, si Senator Bongo, si Senator Bato, si General si IDG, General Karamat ay nasa likod ng pugo. Merong tao from Malacanang nag-uutos sa'yo. Meron akong information. I can pin you down, my God. Ha? Huwag kang pailing-iling dyan. Alam pong informasyon na yan. Is that correct?
No,
Anong
sir.
purpose mo? Bakit ka pupunta doon kay Alice Go? 2 bisis ka pumunta. Anong purpose mo doon? Be, sige.
At sino kasama mo?
Like what I said, sir, ang kasama ko po pagpunta doon sa Indonesia ay IG po.
At
We have
tinatanong ni
General Macapas online
Sen.
to
Bato,
cross-check.
sino ang kasama mo pumunta sa kulungan ni Alice Go? Yun ang tanong ko.
Ako lang po, tsaka si attorney po.
Hindi ka papapasukin doon na ikaw lang.
Alam mo, galing ako dyan eh.
Tuktok mo.
Galing ako dyan sa custodial eh. Mahirap makapasok dyan. At sino ka para makapasok doon? Ang makakapasok lang doon, abogado, pare, kamag-anak, doktor,
O opisyal.
ikaw. Ano relasyon mo sa kanya? Doktor ka ba?
No,
Pari ka ba? O ano ka ba?
no, sir.
O ano?
I don't have
Abogado ka ba?
No, sir.
Paano ka nakapasok? Who initiated the meeting? And how did you enter the custodial center?
The first time po na pumasok po kami doon, I was still with IG.
Para sa iba pang karagdagang mga balita at impormasyon, ay huwag po nating kalimutang mag-like, share at comment sa video na ito, at huwag po rin nating kalimutang mag-subscribe to continue supporting us. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood, at naway tangkilikin po ninyo ang aming YouTube channel.